Good morning, students. You can see our today's topic is if statement and nested if statement. So first I'm discussing about if statement and nested if statement. Okay, as you know, when you are getting a questions, okay, uh, for example, find the maximum value or max value from two numbers. Means from two numbers you need to find the maximum value. That time what you will do is the ternary operator. You are using the ternary operator. So you're taking a variable max while you store the answer, and what is stored, you are giving a condition which is suppose a holding a value and b holding a value. So a greater than b, okay, then question mark, then a, otherwise b. Okay, this is your answer. Okay, means you write these things to find the maximum value. Okay, means first to check this condition, based on this condition, this true value is a false value. Okay, so if you use a if statement, we cannot use this one. Okay, we cannot use this one. What we use, we write these things like this way. If small, this condition a greater than b, same condition. Next line I will write max is equal to a, else max is equal to b. So what is the difference between this four line and this single line and this four line? I'm making background something different so you can understand the entire thing. Okay. Now you can see this else is small. Okay, if I small. Now you can see this one, the condition based true value and condition false value. So if this condition is true, then this is a true value. If otherwise, false value. Okay, so here the colon works as a else part and this question mark as a true part. So this one is the translated into this one. So you get a two type of question in your exam. One is the convert this statement to this statement, or sometimes you get this statement to write this statement. Got 2 marks. Means ternary operator to if statement or if to ternary operator. There are 2 options are present in your exam. Okay. Now one more thing I am showing you. If find the maximum among 3 numbers. Among 3. What will happen? You do one thing, you just give one more condition over here, and with the AND a greater than c, okay. So if this is true, this particular question true, then a we need to check again. So here we check again. Here we check again. B greater than c or not. If b greater than c, then again you check the condition is b, otherwise c. Now, so how you write these things? Same code, we are writing the same code over here. A greater than b and a greater than c. A greater than c. When both conditions are satisfied, your maximum value is equal to a. Otherwise I'm checking another condition. But in else portion you can write a condition. So that's why I need to write the else if B greater than C. Okay, B greater than C. Then max B, then else portion max is equal to C. So this way we will do the entire program. Now if this condition is true, then max value, otherwise this one max value is B, else max value is C. So this is the easy, but when you are turn is easy, but when you have the long calculation, that time you are facing the problem. Okay, it's too difficult to do the calculation. So I will show you a questions. So how you do the calculation, I will show you. Okay. So first I'm erasing each and everything and write the question only. Okay. So my question is bill amount. Okay. Bill amount. To find the bill amount. How? Unit. Your electricity bill unit. Unit, and another column is the price, charge. Okay. So one unit and charge. First 100 unit charge rupees 5. Okay, so 2. Next 200 charge 3. Above 300 charge rupees 5. So how we do this calculation? It looks quite easy, but it's not easy. I'm telling you. Okay. Now you can see the question with the diagram. Now how we do these things? So I'm taking taking a pen to show you the better clearance to how to easily draw these things or calculate these things. And you can see the pen disappear. Now when you get this type of questions, first to draw a straight line. First to draw a straight line. Straight line. Okay. Then your starting point you decide you 0. Okay. And again in which see first 100, so 0 to 100 you decide 100 1 0 0. Okay, 100, and next 100 200 means after 100 next 200 is 300, so consider is 300 3 0 0. Okay, now in between this one charge is rupees 2, here is rupees 3, and here is rupees 5. Okay, now how do the calculation? Always try to do the back calculation. Always try to do the back calculation. How also with the program I will show you how you do the calculation. So I'm writing a class which is bill amount. Okay, bill amount. Now simply here I'm taking two inputs and do the entire calculation. Okay, I'm not using any methods, different methods, not any main member methods. Okay, simply I'm explaining to you for your new topic clearance. Okay, so I'm writing the input line, import, import, input line is done. So I'm writing a method requires. So void calculate. In this void calculate, I'm writing a scanner. FC is equal to new scanner. Okay, now I'm giving a simple message. Okay, simple message, and enter the unit bill. How much unit you are wasting? So enter the unit amount. Okay, enter the unit. System dot out dot print. Enter total unit. Okay, and I'm inside the unit. I'm taking the inside the u. I'm taking the unit. So int u is equal to sc dot next int. Now time to do the calculation. Now always when you do this type of question, next, first 100, next 200 or above, means is next is here, always try to do the back calculation, means from this side to this side you try to do the calculation. Okay, this way. Okay, always try to do the calculation. The largest condition first, then this largest condition, then this side. Okay, so first I'm doing this one. I'm writing if unit greater than 300. See my the last condition, this one matching above 300, so unit above 300. Now in this case you look carefully. I'm taking a variable bill double is equal to bill. Okay, now in this case remember, if next is there, the first 100 unit this portion rupees 2 and this portion rupees 3 and this portion rupees 5 doesn't means you are wasting unit from first position to last position. You are calculating the amount against rupees 5. It's totally wrong. So, okay, so when you prepare these things, okay, so first I change the color and you can understand. For first 100 unit is rupees 2. So you write here bill is equal to 2 into 100, because first 100 unit rupees 2. Okay, after that this next 200 unit rupees 3. So plus 3 into 3 into 200 plus. Now suppose you're wasting up to this much, means 390 unit, you are wasting your unit 390. Now already you are paying amount for 300 unit. So how much extra unit you paid? This much, only this much. So in this case 390 minus 300 means whatever the unit amount minus 300. So here you write within bracket unit minus 300. Okay, into 5. Okay, only this much calculation we will do inside this one. Same. It's very difficult to write the entire calculation inside the using the help of ternary operator. Very difficult. Okay. Now for next calculation LC, unit amount greater than 100. Now suppose you are wasting bill 350. Okay, 350. That time you can see this is true, also true. But in this case when 350 is here, so once you enter inside any if statement, it will not allow you to move to the next if statement while there is true or false. Okay, doesn't matter if the next condition true or false for against a condition. So once he entered the condition, it will not enter anymore in any other condition. Okay, is whatever come first is work first. First come first serve. So the first condition come first, so it will enter. If it's true, then enter. Otherwise, leave it. Next, then it check the next calculation portion or next condition. Okay. In this case, now above 100, so we cannot increase the amount below greater than 300. So here the entire portion is same. Entire portion is same. Okay, so first unit, first this 100 unit rupees 2, again rupees 2, same thing. But in this case, sub is increasing the more than 100. How much more than 100? If you subtract the entire unit to 100 and get the extra amount in this extra unit, how much extra is wasting? So again here unit minus 100 into 2, sorry 3. Okay, otherwise else portion, otherwise below 100. In this case below 100 anywhere the amount is 2. So here bill is equal to 2 unit amount, unit into 2. Okay, this is a calculation. Now time to print the value. Bill amount plus bill. Now compile it. There is no error. Let's close it. So what is the bill amount? Bill amount, the class is bill amount. So I just run it. Suppose I see what is the calculation. I open as calculate and show you. So if the bill amount is 150, now 100 unit is rupees 2. So 2 into 100 is 200, right? So 200 and extra 50 rupees 3. So 3 into 50 is 150. 150. So total is equal to 350. Let's see. After pressing the enter, what I get? 350 amount. Okay. The same way you can check this amount. Okay. I'm run it again. Suppose my now amount is okay 349. In this case 1450. The same formula using the electricity company when they are coming your home to check the unit bill, and they will provide a bill, the long bill. You can see the first 100 unit 5.74, next 200 unit 5.89, next 78 unit 5.98, like that they will written over there. Okay, according to this calculation they will provide you, they are taking a charge against the electricity bill. Okay, the same methodology they are following for the preparing electricity bill. Okay, I hope this if statement clear for you. Next day I will show you, next video you can see the if statement, again if statement, but different condition. This time is no first 100 next. This mention is clearly from beginning portion and the ending portion how and do the calculation. Okay, wait for my new video. Thank you, have a nice day. If you're new in my channel, please like and subscribe my videos.